What's up? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Florida. I'm about to pick up another box truck, y'all. All right, fam, so once again, we're here in Florida and I'm picking up the 10-footer. Come on now. So I had to look online for truck sales for U-Haul, and I'm telling you, man, it was a little hectic a little bit trying to find one, but luckily, all praises that found one here in Florida. Got family, Jacksonville. My wife, father lives in Florida, so I was able to hook the thing up and get down here to grab this one before someone else grab it. Because you know, in Florida, man, it is a lot of landscapers down here in Florida. So I'm surprised that I was able to get it, but I knew I had favor, so I knew I was gonna grab it. So just a basic your 10-footer. Nothing special about it. Come on this way so you can take a look at it. Now I hadn't even cranked the thing yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm still excited about it. I hadn't even started, but just cosmetically it looked really good. Only got a little bad spot right here in the front. You probably can't even see it on the camera. But yeah, got some, look like somebody just put a paintbrush on this bad boy. But other than that, man, it's really looking good. So, you know, I always share my prices of how much I pay. That's the price right there, $14,000. That's how much it costs to get you a box truck. Now, you already know I'm gonna put a dovetail on it. That's $25. Now, that I know y'all saying $25, but you can get a 60-inch John Deere in this bad boy. Get a 60-inch John Deere in the back of here, and you can get a 36-inch stand on sideways. And you know, we use the Bradley mowers for our backyards, and that's what we really want to do, backyards only with the Bradley. So everything looks really good inside. I'm excited to crank this bad boy up, see what we're looking like. Okay, there goes my angel right there. She's the one held on it for me. She held on it because they was trying to get it on the sneak tip.
But you know what? If you decide you don't want it, it's already sold.
I already know that. I already know that.
Here, I printed out the paper on it, and I printed out, I didn't see, there's a maintenance history. Usually there's a long sheet. There's no repairs on it, so wow. I don't know. There was just this one.
Starter.
The starter that they've repaired.
So everything original, so hopefully
yes, sir.
Everything holds up, man. Break it up?
Yes, sir. I parked it back here and locked it. Apparently someone else looked at it, then went online, financed it, and
wow.
Yeah. I said, I'm sorry, but that truck's already done.
See that? Someone was trying to slide in and take this truck from me. Already financed before they even got down here.
Yeah.
But luckily, I had
Jeannie to the rescue.
Oh, your boots are cute.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. What was that?
That was started.
We'll cut that out, the video. We'll cut that one out of the video.
All right, fam. We about to test drive this bad boy. Man, it's already nice and clean in here. I know cleaning is not something you're really truly concerned about because you already know they're gonna junk it up, but it's clean. And we're gonna, we put the seat in here too. Put the third seat right in the middle. We already know where to get that from. She said really with no problems with it. Everything's original, so that means that it is gonna have some form of repairs since everything on here original, but it definitely sounds good. I don't hear no clink. Oh, except we need to put that seatbelt on right now. It's the only thing about it, you gotta. I don't have no mechanic here in Florida, but 14 grand, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. I already know it. All right, fam, so I'm test driving it, and it's good. Look, driving, not pulling to either side, so that lets you know that, I don't have no alignment issue. You know what I'm saying? They ain't trying to sell me something that pretty much been wrecked. But what's really good about the U-Haul, they keep a log of all the maintenance on the vehicle. Of course, if you got a U-Haul truck that has a long list of maintenance, you don't want to get it. You don't want to get that truck. This one had one, and it was the starter. And this morning when we cranked it, that mug sounded a little scary, I ain't gonna lie to you, but it's a new starter. I don't know what it did. I readjusted it, cranked it again. But hey, it accelerates great. I don't hear no knocks, no tangles, like I said, the reason why I love this truck is because a newbie can get in who just drives regular cars, and they don't have to worry about the size. They don't have to worry about if something behind them or backing up. This is really good for what it is that I have to do, get in small spaces and get out. So this is definitely gonna be part of the fleet. Definitely. See it already. Now I do have 4 hours back to the crib, so that would be the ultimate test. The 4 hours back to the house, and I'm taking it straight to Conyers Truck and Body Works. That's exactly where I'm taking it. The brakes feel good. Oh, I think the thing in the back open still. So I'm about to turn this bad boy around, baby. Back to, because we're trying to get up the road. I'm gonna talk to you when we get home and let you know what it's looking like. What's up, fam? So I did not tell y'all or show y'all when I dropped the truck off. The truck actually ran really good. I mean, it was great from coming back from Florida. No issues, perfect. And I dropped it off at Conyers Truck Bodies, okay? And guess what? Boom, it didn't take them long to put the dovetail on. I think it was about 2 weeks or even less. I'm gonna just do a walk around real quick. You done seen the other one. It looks exactly like the one that I just purchased just last year. I'm gonna show you right now. So they had to modify the wheel wells on here because I got a 60-inch, and the 60-inch is so wide it actually goes over the actual wheel well. I'll show you. So the wheel well is modified. So just in case y'all want to know how much it cost me, fam, it was $3,214.60. Just so you know, I'm transparent.